A Mediterranean home is a timeless example of elegance and simplicity in the warmth of stone and sunlight. The sounds of distant waves, the soft hum of daily life, and the whispers of sea breezes are all contained within its walls, which have been worn by centuries of use. This is more than simply a house. It's a haven where peace is invited around every corner and where every stone tells a silent tale. With materials chosen for their aesthetic value and capacity to blend in with the surroundings, the Mediterranean stone house provides a sense of connection to nature. Cool to the touch, earth-toned walls frame areas that let in natural light. The terracotta floors, worn smooth by years of hosting families, reverberate with the sound of footsteps. The design's open spaces and simplicity speak loudly, allowing for natural flow. Here, interior and outdoor spaces are interwoven, and the air is just as much a part of the house as the walls. Climbing vines provide shade for a terrace that overlooks undulating hills and invites the mild Mediterranean breezes to relieve the day's tensions. Every moment becomes an experience in such a setting. The scent of freshly baked bread fills the air as the morning sun floods over a rustic kitchen counter, while the evening provides a peaceful silence as the sun sets, illuminating the stone with golden hues. A Mediterranean stone home is an experience that elevates the art of living and nurtures the soul.